everyone. We are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I just got my Zenna utility sink or laundry sink we got. We got this for my mom, and I'm gonna install it for her in the laundry room. I'm just trying to be quiet because my back hurts, and if she finds out I'm doing this video, she's gonna freak out. So I'm gonna do this video and I'm gonna be a little quiet, but this is just the unboxing. We'll do the installation and stuff later. So let's get this thing open and see exactly how it came. There was a hole in my box on the side, so let's hope that doesn't mean anything's missing or broken. But let's open it up and do the unboxing and see what you get in the box and hurry this up. Has a built-in drain basket. That's really cool. This is the soap dish or something to hold. It goes in like this. Alright, you could put it on either side. The bottom right here. So these are the legs, hooks, holes to mount on the bottom. I think they just push in like that. Very easy. Alright, so these are the instructions just in case you lose yours. You can give that a pause because some people lose their instructions. Alright, so if you need any of those, you can give that a pause. This is the plumbing kit that it does come with. Let's open this up. And we got all the tailpipes. Oh, look at that, they give us these. I'm not going to use them anymore. Alright, so that's pretty much for the unboxing review. I don't know how long I'm going to make the videos, but that's everything that comes in it that you can expect. I put a little ruler down there, so just for a, measurement comparison, just so everyone sees what's up. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing review. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.